Would you make a boneless Wagyu short rib like I did? Watch and find out.
Today is a very special day. We've got a boneless short rib Wagyu cut from Silent Valley. I know this is going to be incredible. We're cooking it on the Weber, low and slow. It's going to be amazing. Here we go.
I really wanted to try the snake method of coals in my Weber. The way it works is you put 2 coals side by side around half the Weber, and then you repeat it exactly the same on top, and this creates a slow cook at about 100-120 degrees Celsius that you can cook your food. This was amazing. It was a 6-hour cook, and I'll show you how it came out. For this smoke, I'm using Pecanwood. Once I got about 10 to 12 coals fired up, I put it on the side so it can start burning on the side throughout the day. We got this from Silent Valley Wagyu. It was pre-marinated, which wasn't up our alley, but we tried it anyway and it actually turned out really delicious. To get my meat ready, I used a ThermoPro thermometer. If you want any meat to be cooked properly, you need to use a thermometer because it gives you perfect control. So I had my thermometer in, I wanted to get it to 90 degrees Celsius and then closed my lid and let it cook low and slow. Now to get the bread ready. I used French loaf so I could get thick pieces of bread, and we're gonna add some sauce, some pickles, some cheese. You're gonna see it's gonna be amazing. Here what I'm doing is I'm using mayonnaise as my butter instead of butter, because mayonnaise really does have a nice tang to it, and it's gonna give it that extra little flavor that I was looking for on these breads. As you can see, I'm making quite a lot because I got a big family and we need to eat. For the sauce that I was going to use, it was pretty simple. I used mayonnaise, some Dijon mustard, and some Worcester sauce. I always know that that's such a great combo for sauces, especially for Wagyu steak. So all I did is I got these together, I mixed it up, and then I was going to baste the sauce on the bread and on top to give it some extra flavor. Now, just add my sauce to my bread as a basting. We're going to build these mini sandwiches. We want to get them tasting really delicious for everybody. It was really late. You can see I had no power at some of the video, and then the power came on for some of the other video, but we made it work and it was really good. We added some white cheddar cheese. I love white cheddar cheese, and we wanted it to be good. Guys, you've got to try these Miami sweet and tangy pickles. They are incredible.
Fat Greek approved.
When the meat was ready, I opened it and oh my word, look how amazing this looks. After a 6-hour cook, this meat was ready, and as I cut into it, the juice was falling all over the place. You can see me squeezing a piece of meat and the juice just dripping out.
Guys, this is just so delicious. Look at the smoke ring around the meat. You can see the intramuscular fat. You know it's Wagyu. This tastes incredible. Let's put it on the bread and let's chow it.
Now it's time to place my meat, and after that just put a little bit of sauce on top to give it a little bit of flavor, and my oh my was I excited for this. I think my whole family was excited. Everybody was just waiting to try it.
I haven't been this excited to try something for so long. This has been cooking for 6 whole hours. When I took it off, the smell was it was so delicious, the smell. I couldn't wait to taste it. I'm gonna taste it with you. Cheers. That Dijon mustard with the mayonnaise into the smoky meat and with the pickles and the cheese. This is incredible. Thank you, Silent Valley Wagyu, for the Wagyu. This has been an amazing cook, and keep on cooking, beautiful people.